Steel chains are used in some of the toughest environments on Earth. From anchoring massive ships to lifting heavy industrial loads, these chains are built to handle extreme force. But how are they actually made? How does solid steel become strong enough to carry such weight? The process begins with raw metal, heated until it turns red hot. Then, using powerful industrial machines, each link is shaped, forged, and strengthened step by step. What may look simple from the outside is actually a precise and demanding manufacturing process. Let's go inside the factory and see how it all comes together.
Solid steel rods are introduced into the forming line for controlled processing.
The steel rod is cut into uniform segments for chain link formation. The heated segment reaches forming temperature for the next stage of production. The heated segment is positioned for controlled forming. The initial bend forms the base shape of a chain link. The link shape is refined while keeping the joint open for later connection. The open ends remain aligned for accurate joining in later stages.
The formed link is checked for consistent geometry before joining. The open link is now ready for joint preparation in the next stage.
The open link is secured to prepare the joint surfaces for precise alignment. Both joint surfaces are shaped to ensure even contact during joining. Minor alignment corrections ensure the joint surfaces meet evenly.
Surface cleaning removes oxide layers before joining.
Alignment markings guide precise positioning during the joining process. The link is now fully prepared for the joining stage. Localized heating prepares the joint ends for controlled forming. The heated ends are positioned to face each other evenly without closing the joint. Shape symmetry is verified before final joining. Gravity alignment confirms the ends remain correctly positioned before joining.
temperature is verified to ensure proper conditions for joining.
The link is now fully aligned and ready for the joining process. The aligned joint is positioned for controlled welding. The joint is fused in a single controlled weld to form a closed link. The first closed link is formed after welding. The welded link cools while maintaining its structural integrity. The welded link is checked for dimensional accuracy. The completed link is ready for connection with additional links. A second open link is prepared for the first connection. The first interlocking connection is created between two links. The first connection is verified before closing the second link. The interlocked links are aligned for the next joining stage. The first connected pair is ready for final welding in the next stage. The second link is positioned for closure through welding.
The second link is welded to complete the first connected pair.
The first fully connected pair is formed.
The welded pair cools while maintaining structural integrity.
Dimensional checks confirm consistent link geometry. The connected pair is ready for extension into a longer chain. A third open link is introduced for extension. The third link is interlocked without closing the joint. The three-link assembly is checked for free movement before closure. The links are aligned for precise positioning before final joining.
The third link is welded to extend the chain structure.
The welded links cool while maintaining structural strength.
The structure is ready for gradual chain expansion.
The fourth link is interlocked without closing the joint. The process continues with another link addition.
Each new link is closed through a controlled welding process.
The chain section is ready for further extension in the next stage. Tempering balances hardness and toughness for durability.
The chain is tested under load to verify structural strength.
A protective coating is applied to prevent corrosion. The finished chain is ready for final testing and packaging. Free movement confirms proper link articulation. The chain is secured to maintain shape during handling. The finished chain is stored and ready for shipment.
The final product is prepared for delivery to industrial use.